Regards, Tudor and Pierce. My name is Jesus Monsalvo. I study degree in English as a foreign language, and this work is presented to the teacher Astrid Lemos. Well, this story begins on January of 2017 when I bought a motorbike for study and work reasons, for transporting me, and I don't know, for whatever thing. And when I bought my motorbike, I always want to travel around Colombia and visiting and being trips on well, I'm not from Valledupar, where I live. I live in Valledupar, but I'm from Tamalameque, Cesar. And I decided with my partner of this time, my roomie, go to visit Barranquilla or Santa Marta. He's from Barranquilla, but finally we decided to go Santa Marta. The journey starts at 8 p.m. when I arrive from my work, and in house all was ready for the trip. The packages and the food and all we have to need. All the trip I have to draw about on the wall, because well, the owner of the motorbike is me, and the trip was on, I don't know, maybe 4 or 5 hours. When we came on to Santa Marta, it was the 1 a.m. in the morning, and we arrived to the hotel when we have the reservations. In the morning, well, then of this we have to rest, and in the morning we decided to go to the beach, go to the downtown of the city, both swimsuits and not ate. Then after that we go in the afternoon. Later we went for Taganga. That is a little town near Santa Marta. Taganga is beautiful. It's a very warm and nice town. The people there is so nice and kind. It's a very pleasant place to go. I really recommend go to Taganga. In that night, we decided to go to a disco for dance and meet girls and maybe drunk beers and liquor, and I don't know, maybe have a good time. And we returned to the hotel at 2 a.m. of the morning. In the next morning at 9 a.m. we have to return to Valledupar, but we decided to go to Palomino, La Guajira, and that was the best decision that we have to do in all the trip. Palomino is a spectacular place to go. It's very, I don't know how to describe with words. it's an interesting place to visiting. And then after that we went to Valledupar, and that was all our trip. Thanks.